Doing good, I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to sell wall art on Gumroad. Gumroad is a popular platform for selling digital products, as you can get started for completely free. All you'll need to do is go onto gumroad.com. From there, you can create an account using your email address. And by the way, with Gumroad, while it is completely free, they do take a 10% flat rate for each sale that you'll make. So that means that if you were to sell an item, for example, for $10, Gumroad will be making $1 for each sale that you make. But it is completely free to upload your product and to start promoting it and to start making some money using this platform. So once you have created your Gumroad account, you are going to tap on dashboard in the top right hand corner and you will be redirected to this page. Once on this page, I want you to go over to the left hand menu option and you are going to select products. After selecting products, you are going to tap on new product in the top right hand corner. Once you have selected new product, from here you can enter your product name. So for example, I'll call this test wall art and we're going to type that in right there. After you have done that, you can see the different products or type of products that you can sell on Gumroad. Whether it is a digital product that we'll be uploading, whether you'd like to sell a course or tutorial, or if you'd like to sell an ebook or membership or a physical product, you'll be able to do that on Gumroad. But since we are selling wall art, which is considered a digital product, we're going to select digital product. After doing that, you can set your price right here. So let's say, for example, we'll be selling it for $10. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on Next Customize in the top right hand corner. After selecting Next Customize, from here, what I want you to do next is you can see the URL that we'll be providing with. You can customize your URL as you can see right there, or if you would like to purchase a custom domain name, you can do it right here. And you can also upload your mock-up image right here. So right where you see cover, you will tap here to upload your mock-up image. And if you don't have a mock-up image as yet, all you need to do is go onto canva.com. On Canva, you could type in wall art mockup, so you can type that in real quick. And Canva is another platform that you can use for completely free. After selecting wall art mockups, you'll be redirected to this page and you can see numerous templates you can choose from. Let's say, for example, we were to select this one. All you'll need to do is simply tap on it. Then from there, you could tap on customize this template. After selecting customize this template, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll be able to upload your wall art right here, or you could simply customize the text. So what you will do, you'll simply tap on uploads from the left hand menu option. After tapping on uploads, from there you could tap on upload file and you could upload the wall art that you are planning to sell. So let's say, for example, this image right here. Now all we'll need to do, we'll drag and place the image. So you could drag and place the image right here and you could simply edit it to fit in the frame. So you can do that real quick by simply cutting down the size of the photo as you can see right there. After you have done that, you could remove the text right there and we can adjust it right there and you can see how it looks. Now that you have added your wall art to the mock-up, so we have created our mock-up as you can see right here. All you'll need to do now, you can tap on share in the top right hand corner, then tap on download and you will tap on download once more. Once our mockup has been downloaded, we're going to go back into Gumroad. Once in Gumroad, we're going to tap on upload images or video. Then we'll tap on computer files. And from here, I'm going to select my mockup. So I'll tap on downloads, select the mockup right there, and I'll tap on open. And you can see a cover image preview right here on the right hand column, as you can see right there. So you can see the name, you can see the price, and you can also see the mockup right there. Once you have done this, all you'll need to do now, you can scroll down, you can change the call to action if you want. So for example, you can tap right here, I want this, you could change it to buy this or pay now. You can also add additional details if you want. Once you are finished, you'll simply scroll back up. Then you're going to tap on content from the top navigation bar. After tapping on content, what you're going to do next is, since we're uploading a digital product, all you'll need to do, you could tap right here and you could tap on insert file. After tapping on insert file, from there you could tap on computer files, and for example you could search for the digital product or your wall art, and then you could simply select your wall art. So for example, let's say I were to go back into Canva, and let's say for example this is what I wanted to use, this one right here. So I'll simply tap on the three dots and I'm going to tap on download. Once it has been downloaded, all I'll need to do now, I'll simply go back into Gumroad and I'm going to select computer files and I'm going to simply select the wall art example, then tap on open. So they'll be able to get access to this once they have completed their purchase. Now once it has been added, as you can see right there, all you'll need to do now, you'll tap on publish and continue in the top right hand corner. After tapping on publish and continue, you can preview it by tapping on preview in the top right hand corner, and you can preview how the product page looks. So you can see that our mockup looks professional, and then from there you can see I want this right here. You can see the size of the wall art. All they'll need to do is tap on I want this. Then from there they'll be redirected to a new page and they'll see the price, or they can also purchase it as a gift for someone. Then they'll enter their email address, select their country, then tap on pay, and you can do that right there. After doing that, after creating your preview, what I would recommend you do is go back into Gumroad, and I want you to go over to the left hand menu option, and from there I want you to tap on payouts. After tapping on payouts, you're going to tap on settings in the top right hand corner. Once you have tapped on settings, from here you can select the country that you're located in. You can also select whether you have a valid government ID or proof of residency, and then from there you can set up the different payment options that you would like to offer, whether that is Stripe or PayPal. And if you would like to customize your page further, you could tap on checkout from the left hand menu option, and from there you could customize the checkout form. You can also add upsells if you want, and if you would like to create a discount code that you can offer to get more sales on social media, you can do that by tapping on new discount. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.